Welcome to Brainetainment, where we unravel the science behind everyday phenomena. On this intriguing platform, we bridge the gap between curiosity and knowledge, exploring the fascinating intricacies of the brain and its interactions with our world. Our raison d'être: to educate and entertain you with the most compelling brain-related content. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey of discovery. We'll explore a topic that has piqued the interest of health enthusiasts and scientists alike: how exercise can extend our lifespan. So, buckle up. Today we delve into the science behind how exercise prolongs life. Exercise is more than just a way to burn calories, it's a catalyst for beneficial changes in the body. Diving right in, let's consider how exercise impacts us physically. When we exercise, our heart rate increases. This isn't just to pump adrenaline and make us feel like superheroes. Oh no, it's a lot more scientific than that. The increased heart rate pushes oxygen-rich blood throughout our bodies, keeping our organs well-fed and healthy. Over time, this cardiovascular workout strengthens the heart, making it more efficient at pumping blood, reducing the risk of heart disease, and improving overall health. But that's not all. Exercise is also a natural fortifier for our immune system. When we exercise, our body's natural defense system kicks into high gear. The increased circulation of blood and lymph fluids helps distribute immune cells throughout the body more efficiently. These cells are our body's frontline soldiers, fighting off infections and diseases. Regular exercise means a well-equipped army ready to protect us from the onslaught of germs and viruses. And it's not just our bodies that reap the benefits. Exercise has a significant impact on our mental health as well. Physical activity stimulates the release of endorphins, our brain's feel-good neurotransmitters, leading to what's often referred to as a runner's high. But the mental health benefits of exercise extend beyond temporary mood boosts. Regular physical activity can help reduce symptoms associated with anxiety and depression, improve sleep, and boost overall mood. And the beauty of it is that exercise doesn't discriminate. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park or a high-intensity interval training session, our bodies and minds benefit from the activity. It's not about being the fastest or the strongest, it's about moving, being active, and embracing a healthier lifestyle. Exercise is a powerful tool. It has the ability to transform us, not just on the outside, but on the inside too. It's a gift that we should all take advantage of for our physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. And the benefits don't stop here, as exercise also has a profound effect on our genetic makeup. Research has shown that exercise can quite literally change our DNA. Intriguing, isn't it? This is the fascinating world of epigenetics, a branch of science that studies how our behaviors and environment can cause changes that affect the way our genes work. Now let's delve a bit deeper. Our bodies are made up of trillions of cells. Inside each of these cells we have DNA, our genetic code. This DNA is not a static blueprint, rather it's a dynamic living library that responds to various factors, including exercise. When we exercise, it triggers a cascade of biological processes. One of these processes involves molecules known as methyl groups. These molecules have the ability to latch onto our DNA and switch certain genes on or off. This process is known as methylation. When we're sedentary, the genes associated with disease risk factors such as inflammation and insulin sensitivity may be switched on. However, when we exercise, the methylation process can turn these genes off, while turning on genes associated with improved health and longevity. Think of it as a set of light switches. When you enter a dark room, you switch on the light. Similarly, when you exercise, you're essentially switching on the genes that improve your health and switching off the genes that could potentially harm you. This is not just theoretical science. Numerous studies have shown this in practice. For instance, a study found that just 3 months of regular exercise resulted in over 7,000 methylation changes in the DNA of muscle cells. These changes were associated with improved energy metabolism, insulin response, and inflammation reduction. Furthermore, these genetic changes can have a ripple effect throughout the body. Improved energy metabolism in muscle cells can lead to better overall energy levels. Better insulin response can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Reduced inflammation can decrease the risk of numerous diseases, including heart disease and certain types of cancer. So exercise doesn't just make us feel good, it can actually reprogram our DNA for better health. It's an incredible example of how we have some control over our genetic destiny and how we can use this knowledge to live healthier, longer lives. Exercise is one of the most effective ways to increase lifespan. This statement is not mere hearsay, but a fact backed by numerous scientific studies and research worldwide. Decades of research have consistently shown a direct link between regular physical activity and increased longevity. But how does this work, and why is exercise such a potent life extender? Let's delve into the science behind this. Exercise promotes cardiovascular health by strengthening the heart, lowering blood pressure, and reducing levels of harmful cholesterol. Thus, it significantly reduces the risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death globally. Regular physical activity also plays a pivotal role in maintaining a healthy weight, which is crucial in preventing a myriad of health problems, including type 2 diabetes, another major cause of premature death. Furthermore, exercise aids in the regulation of blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetes. It also enhances lung capacity, promoting better respiratory health. This combination of factors contributes to a healthier, longer life, making exercise a crucial component of longevity. But the benefits of exercise extend beyond physical health. Regular physical activity has been shown to improve mood, reduce stress, and enhance mental well-being. These psychological benefits can lead to better quality of life and ultimately longer life expectancy. Exercise also has a profound effect on the cellular level. It stimulates the production of certain proteins that repair damaged DNA, slowing the aging process. Additionally, exercise triggers the release of growth factors that promote the health and longevity of brain cells. In the face of such overwhelming evidence, it becomes clear that exercise is not just about looking good or performing at your best physically. It's about investing in your future, ensuring you have as many healthy, vibrant years as possible. But the question remains, how much exercise is enough to reap these longevity benefits? The answer to this question is not as straightforward as it might seem. It depends on numerous factors, including an individual's health status, age, and lifestyle. But what is certain is that any exercise is better than no exercise. So let's get moving. Finding the right balance in exercise is crucial for maximizing its life-extending benefits. Deciphering the right amount and type of exercise can often seem like a daunting task, especially with the plethora of contradictory information floating around. But fret not, as science has provided us with some clear and concise guidelines. Let's start with the young ones. For children and adolescents, the recommendation is at least an hour of moderate to vigorous physical activity every day. This can include a combination of aerobic activities like running or cycling and strength training exercises such as climbing or gymnastics. As we move to adults, the guidelines suggest at least 2.5 hours of moderate intensity exercise or an hour and 15 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise each week. Strength training exercises targeting all major muscle groups should also be included at least twice a week. For our senior citizens, the recommendation remains the same as adults, but with an additional focus on balance training to prevent falls, a common concern in the elderly. Remember, these are just guidelines. It's important to listen to your body and adjust accordingly. For instance, if you have a history of heart disease or any other chronic condition, it's advisable to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise routine. The key here is consistency and moderation. It's better to exercise moderately and regularly than to engage in intense workouts intermittently. Think of exercise not as a chore, but as an investment in your health. It's not about pushing your limits every time, but about maintaining a routine that keeps you active and energized. So, whether you choose to dance, swim, cycle, or simply take a brisk walk in the park, make sure you're moving regularly. Exercise doesn't have to be a strenuous gym workout. It can be any physical activity that gets your heart rate up and makes you feel good. In the end, it's all about making exercise a habit, a part of your daily routine. So there you have it, the science behind how exercise prolongs life. We've delved into the profound physical and mental benefits of regular exercise. Not only does it boost your mood, but it also enhances your overall health, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and improving cardiovascular health. We also unearthed the fascinating link between exercise and our genetics. Regular physical activity can actually switch on certain genes that promote health and longevity, a remarkable testament to the power of exercise. Then, we explored how exercise plays a vital role in increasing our lifespan. The magic lies in its ability to slow down the aging process, maintain our cognitive function, and improve our quality of life into our golden years. But how much exercise is enough? We've established that the recommended amount is a blend of both aerobic and strength training exercises. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic physical activity per week, coupled with 2 or more days of muscle strengthening activities. It's clear that exercise is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and living longer. It's an investment in your future self. So lace up those trainers, get out there, and start reaping the rewards of a more active lifestyle. Remember to subscribe to Brainutainment for more insightful videos. Keep exercising, keep learning, and keep living longer.